Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Let's start. Open up the TikTok app. Click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on Menu from the top right corner. Go into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to report a problem. Then click on Account and Profile. From Login, tap on Profile Page. Go into Other. Click on Need More Help. Tell your feedback or problem here. Like, I want to add a clickable link in my TikTok bio. You can explain why if you have a small business, if you have a website, and you don't have 1,000 followers. You can still request Instagram to give you options, so you will enter details right here. You can also upload an image, then click on Submit. Then TikTok will get back to you with email and resolve your problem. If not, then go to the Edit Profile option in your bio. You can add a link in bio, so you can copy and paste the link right here. It will be added. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.